Alrighty, so this is the big drum roll. Start drumming. Oh, yeah, we do have, Sharon and I talked. You can't wait too. I'm sorry, honey. Alright, so here we go. Oh, yeah. But do you want to show that first break? Open it up. Let's show this. Hang on. Here we go.
Quiet in here.
Ruth Ellen. Ruth Ellen.
Amazingly speechless right now, which is rather unusual for me. I didn't have, this is amazing. This is a God thing. I would agree. Thank you so much. It's such a privilege to be here among all of you. This is a fine group of people, and I'm thrilled to be here. Thank you.
You're so welcome. We're actually both homeschool moms. She was a homeschooler.
I'm a cancer survivor.
Yes.
And I had
Way
not
to
been
go.
I hadn't been out of college that long when I started tumors. And I'm kind of getting flushed here, but I started homeschooling as a desperate measure because to survive, we moved to a cheap house and the school was awful. And there was no way that my kids were going to go to that school. It opened up all kinds of opportunities because our neighborhood was at challenge to be, with one other neighborhood, to be the murder one neighborhood. And so we started a neighborhood association in our little corner. We had, I cooked a lot of chili and stuff like that, and we invited all those gang members in. And then had youth groups come in and sing and preach the gospel. So a lot of kids got saved. Totally took care of the gangs. And then through that, ran for office and got involved in the politics and all that. But who would have guessed that? Because that was one of those side things that, I was also told I had 2 weeks to live, so I'm juicing every hour and detoxing. So I don't even know the sanity of all that. But, so here we are today, and I was looking for something to do because I didn't want to commit to working full time because I am still working to get my health, to the maximum, right? And so this is the most exciting. So here I am, and totally cancer-free, I must say.
Yes.
Isn't that something?
It is very much something.
Whew. So this will be a really fine later chapter in my book of all this. So yes, all my kids are raised. They've all been to college. They've all done well, in spite of me, I'm sure. But yes, all those things that I wouldn't have dreamt that would be on the horizon. And I never dreamt about this, and I wouldn't. This is phenomenal. So, oh Lord, all right, hang on, let's go.